Hi guys! Finally we're moving into the interesting time of the year where the first TPS plants grown from botanical potato seeds are ready for the harvest. This one is Linda crossed with Blå Congo. Linda is a really delicious, very healthy, yellow-skinned, yellow-fleshed potato from Germany, and Blå Congo is a Swedish breed or a Swedish variety which is very old and has purple skin and flesh. And when I grew TPS from Blå Congo, which was self-pollinated, I got a wide variety of colors, different shades of purple, white ones, yellow ones, and a wide variety of shapes. So this cross should be very interesting and very promising. I have more plants, but these are the first ones which are obviously dying back and ready for the harvest. So let's see what we got. When I had to plant these plants, I was running out of containers, so I was using these bags I had around. Growing them in bags worked quite well. The only problem is that the edge of the bag is flexible, and if the vines are heavy and long, it will press the edge of the bag down and you might run into trouble when watering. But otherwise the bags worked fine, just punched some holes in the bottom so the water can run off. So growing in bags, not a bad idea. Just recycling what you have. This plant just had a small vine, so probably not the biggest harvest underneath, but let's just see. There we got something purple. That's nice. And a worm, always good. So first bag, tiny harvest. Let's see what's inside. I like the light purple color, so hopefully. Okay. Gray? Not sure. Probably not something I'll keep. I'll just eat these. The inside color is not that pretty, and the harvest was very small, so it's not indicating that it's a good producer. Let's move on to the second bag. That's some weeds and a really nice strong vine, not getting too long. Seems to be a bushy plant, and I hope you can tell the stems had some light red color. Whoops. A little bit difficult to get them out of the bag. But there's potatoes. That's looking good. Okay, very difficult to get them out of the bag. That's just some weeds which we're sharing the bag with the potato plant. It's one of my compost weeds. This harvest is looking a lot better. More potatoes. And they have a nice reddish color. It's somewhere between red and purple. And the amount of potatoes isn't bad at all, so that's promising. So let's see what color we got inside. Oh, nice. There's some reddish purple inside. So that one, I'll see if it's focusing. Is it? Maybe? No. Since the summer was so hot, the color of the skin and the inside of the potato will be a little bit on the pale side, but in a cool summer this could be much more red or purple. So I'll test if they taste good, and if they taste good, that one is a keeper. Yay! And the last bag, nice and strong vines, many of them. I hope this is easier to get out of the bag. And you can see there's just a little bit of the paper pot I made in spring which is left. And this looks like yellow skinned potatoes. Quite a lot of them. But I have the feeling that there won't be an interesting color inside. So yellow skin and yellow flashed. I have enough different varieties with that color. So even though the harvest is very good for a TPS grown plant, it's not a keeper, it's for the kitchen. So let's bring the others into the shot. So, keeper, not a keeper, because too little harvest and funny color inside, and not a keeper because I have plenty of yellow skinned potatoes with yellow flesh, so it's not too interesting for me. But this one with a nice color inside, that one in the middle, that's one I will keep. And I'm not sure, but I think I have 6 or 8 plants more of the same cross. So 1 in 3 is a keeper here. That sounds promising to find another keeper or 2 even in those other pots, but they're not done growing. So I'll have to wait a little bit more to see what's in there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed another TPS video of what you can get when breeding potatoes. and see you next time.